Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Keychain, pro tips step by step clearly.
To open Apple Keychain, start by navigating to your Mac's menu bar. Click on the Finder icon located in your dock. Next, select Applications from the Finder sidebar. Scroll down and open the Utilities folder. Inside the Utilities folder, find and double-click on Keychain Access. Once Keychain Access is open, familiarize yourself. On the left side, you'll see your keychains and a list of saved passwords and credentials. To add a new password, click on the File menu in the top left corner. Select New Password Item. A dialog box will appear for you to enter the password details. Provide a name for the item in the Keychain Item Name field. In the Account Name field, enter your username or email associated with the password. Next, type your desired password in the password field. You can also add notes if needed in the Notes section. When all information is entered, click Add to save the new password. To view your saved passwords, use the search bar at the top right. Type in the website or application for which you need the password. When it appears in the list, double-click it to reveal more details. In the pop-up window, check the box next to Show Password. You will be prompted to enter your Mac's administrator password. Once entered, your password will be visible in the field. To delete an entry, highlight it in the list and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Confirm that you want to delete this password when prompted. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Apple ID. To do this, go to System Preferences and then Apple ID. Select Password and Security and follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication. If using Keychain on iOS, ensure it's enabled in your iPhone or iPad settings. Navigate to Settings, then tap on your name at the top. Select iCloud and ensure that Keychain is turned on. This allows your passwords to sync across all your Apple devices seamlessly. When filling in passwords on websites or apps, your Keychain can autofill them. Just click on the username or password field and select the saved entry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.